Homeowners in Palmetto Bay understand the importance of keeping their homes cool, comfortable, and energy efficient year-round. With South Florida's warm climate, strong sunlight, and seasonal storms, your windows play a major role in how well your home performs. If you're considering an upgrade, installing Picture Windows can offer significant energy efficiency benefits while enhancing your home's beauty and value. Here's how Picture Windows can help you save energy and improve comfort in your Palmetto Bay home. Reduced air leakage for better insulation. One of the biggest advantages of Picture Windows is their fixed design. Unlike operable windows that slide or crank open, Picture Windows are stationary. Because they don't have moving parts, they are tightly sealed and far less prone to air leakage. In Palmetto Bay's warm and humid climate, air leaks can allow hot outdoor air to enter your home, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. By installing high-quality Picture Windows with professional sealing, you create a stronger barrier between your indoor space and the outdoor elements. This reduces drafts, stabilizes indoor temperatures, and lowers the strain on your HVAC system. The result? More consistent comfort and potentially lower monthly energy bills. Advanced glass technology for heat control. Modern Picture Windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature advanced technologies such as low emissivity glass coatings, double or triple pane construction. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes. Low E coatings help reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. In a sunny area like Palmetto Bay, this is especially valuable. You can enjoy bright, open spaces without excessive heat gain that makes rooms uncomfortable. Double pane or triple pane glass adds insulation by reducing heat transfer. This means your indoor air stays cooler for longer periods, and your air conditioner doesn't have to run as frequently. Maximized natural light without the heat. Picture Windows are known for their large, unobstructed glass surfaces. They frame beautiful outdoor views and allow ample natural light into your home. When strategically placed, they can reduce your need for artificial lighting during the day. Less reliance on indoor lighting means lower electricity consumption. With energy-efficient glazing, you can enjoy the sunlight without turning your living room into a greenhouse. The right window placement can brighten your space while maintaining indoor comfort. In a vibrant community like Palmetto Bay, where outdoor scenery and tropical landscapes are part of daily life, Picture Windows let you bring the outdoors in, without sacrificing efficiency. Improved home comfort. Year-round energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Poorly insulated windows can create hot spots near glass surfaces and cause uneven temperatures throughout your home. Energy-efficient Picture Windows help maintain a stable indoor climate. They minimize heat transfer and block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. This added protection extends the life of your interior finishes while keeping rooms cooler and more comfortable. If you've ever noticed certain areas of your home feeling warmer than others, upgrading to high-performance Picture Windows can make a noticeable difference. Long-term cost savings. While installing new Picture Windows is an investment, the long-term savings can be substantial. Lower energy usage translates to reduced utility bills month after month. Over time, those savings can offset the initial installation cost. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades can increase your home's overall value. Buyers in Palmetto Bay are increasingly interested in properties with modern, high-performance features. Installing energy-efficient Picture Windows can make your home more attractive if you decide to sell in the future. 6. Enhanced durability in coastal conditions. Palmetto Bay's coastal environment exposes homes to humidity, salt air, and intense sun. High-quality Picture Windows are often built with durable frames and impact-resistant glass options that withstand these conditions. Because they don't open and close, Picture Windows also experience less wear and tear over time. This can mean fewer maintenance issues and better long-term performance compared to some operable window styles. Make the smart choice for your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a practical step toward lowering energy costs, improving comfort, and enhancing your home's performance in Palmetto Bay's climate. If you're looking to reduce your energy bills, increase indoor comfort, and enjoy expansive views with minimal maintenance, picture windows may be the perfect solution. With the right materials and professional installation, you can transform your home into a brighter, more efficient, and more comfortable space for years to come.